Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong magandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating quiz ngayon guys na si Susan B. Anthony. So bago ang lahat guys, bago tayo magpunta doon sa ating Siling Online, tapusin muna natin ang kanyang features guys at ang kanyang history tungkol dito sa bariyang ito guys, dahil napakataas ang bintahan nito guys sa ating Siling Online sa eBay, Lazada at saka sa Carousel. So ito yung story ni Susan B. Anthony guys, Queens ng Amerika. Are you wondering how much Susan B. Anthony dollar coins worth today? The United States Mint issued Susan B. Anthony dollar coins from 1979 through 1981 and then again in 1999. Although you do not find them in circulation very often, they are quite common and expensive. However, there are a few of these coins that are worth more than your common Susan B. Anthony dollar coins. Armed with the right information, you can discover if you have one of these valuable coins. So madiscover mo talaga guys kapag mayroon kang hinahawakan na isang piraso nito. Katulad dito guys, ang kanyang history, ito yon. The United States Mint introduced 1979. They had high dollar in 1979. They had high hopes that this new smaller dollar coin would circulate well in the United States. The Treasury Department hoped that they would be able to eliminate the paper currency for $1 and save the millions of dollars per year in manufacturing cost. These coins honor a pioneer in the women's rights movements. On October 10, 1978, legislation provided for the issuance of this Susan B. Anthony dollar coins. Chief engraver of the United States Mint, Frank Gasparro, designed both obverse and reverse. His initials are located on the obverse near the lower right side of the portrait. This coins marks the first time that a portrait of the real woman, as opposed to an allegorical figure of the Lady Liberty, appeared on the United States circulation coin. However, people easily confuse the new dollar coin with the quarter and therefore it was rejected by the public. Demand dropped and production ceased in 1981 due to a request from the United States Postal Service. The Mint produced another run of this dollar coin in 1999. In the following year, the Mint introduced the new golden dollar with the Sacagawea on the obverse. According to the GC price guide as of August 2024, a Susan B. Anthony coin from 1979 in circulated condition is worth between $1.05 and $1.35. However, on the open market, 1979 P silver dollars in pristine uncirculated condition sell for as much as $1,450. In 1979, 757,813,744 coins were produced. Additional coins were dated in 1980, 1981, numismatic items only. In the 1999, ultimately the United States Mint produced 888,842,452 pieces Susan B. Anthony coins for circulation. According to Jaime Hernandez, in Greasy Catalog, late in 1979, the border of the Susan B. Anthony coin was redesigned and widened to give the coin a better appearance. Therefore, for the 1979 there are two different varieties. One of the varieties in the narrow rim variety. However, this variety is the norm for $1979, and is usually not used when describing a normal 1979 Susan B. Anthony dollar. The second variety is referred to as a wide rim variety. The wide rim variety in the scarcer is the scarcer of the second and usually commands of the significant premium. A regular 1979 Susan B. Anthony dollar with a narrow rim will have the rim of the coin separated from the date of the coin. A 1979 wide rim variety or the scarcer variety from 1979 Philadelphia Susan B. Anthony dollars will have the date of the coin very close to the rim at the coin and almost touching. After 1979, the wide rim variety was then used to strike all other is Susan B. Anthony dollars for the remainder of the series. So ito yung ating pictures guys ng ating $1 na Susan B. Anthony. Mayroon taon na 1979. Ang share nito guys ay United States of America. Ang period naman ng Federal Republic 1776 ang kanyang date. May types na standard circulation coin at may taon na 1979 hanggang 1999. Value naman nito ay $1. Sa Pilipinas guys ay kakalagay ito ng 57.25 pesos or centavos. 57 pesos and 25 centavos. May currency siya na dollar. 1785 naman ang kanyang date. Ang composition nito guys ay copper nickel clad copper. May timbang na 8.1 grams at ang kanyang diameter naman ay 26.5 mm. Kanyang thickness ay 2.0 mm at ang shape naman ay round. Meron siyang technique na mild. Ang kanyang orientation ay coin alignment. Number number 3548 at ang kanyang reference number KM number 207, show number 208. Ito yung ating verse guys, ang mukha ni Susan B. Anthony. The portrait of Susan B. Anthony, a pioneer for the women's rights, facing right with the date below. Meron siyang script na Latin at ang kanyang lettering Liberty in God We Trust. Day Mentmark or Denver Mentmark. FG or ibig sabihin ng FG ay si Frank Gasparo yung engraver and designer. Frank Gasparo yung FG 1979. So engraver Frank Gasparo. At ito yung ating reverse guys, ang likuran. The Apollo 11 mission insignia and eagle holding an olive branch flying above the moon with the earth in the background. And the denomination below. Meron siyang script na Latin at ang kanyang lettering United States of America E pluribus unum FG $1. Translation United States of America out of many 1 FG $1. Engraver Frank Gasparo. Meron siyang age na read. Men's naman US men Denver 1906, US men Philadelphia 1792, US men San Francisco 1854. Comments. The standard weight of these coins is 125 grains. Ang ating 1979 guys na Denver Mint, may 49% lang siya sa 288 million 15,744 kapiraso. Very fine 61 pesos. Extra fine 63 pesos. About uncirculated 81 pesos. Uncirculated is 120 pesos. Ang Philadelphia 1979 Philadelphia Mint narrow rim 23%. 60 pesos ang very fine, 93 pesos ang extra fine, 93 pesos ang about uncirculated at 140 pesos ang uncirculated. At sa wide rim naman ng Philadelphia 38%, 360,222,000 kapiraso. 63 pesos ang very fine, 63 pesos ang extra fine, 110 ang about uncirculated, 110 ang uncirculated condition sa ating wide rim na Philadelphia. Meron din tayong San Francisco 22%, 109,576,000 kapiraso. Very fine, 63 pesos. Extra fine, 70 pesos. About uncirculated, 73 pesos. Uncirculated is 110 pesos. At ang ating fruit na San Francisco type 1, 6%, 3,677,175 pieces. 110 pesos ang extra fine, 220 pesos ang about uncirculated, 310 pesos ang kanyang uncirculated sa ating 1979 na Ace Mint Mark. So ang napakaganda dito guys, dahil naka-display ito sa ating selling online sa eBay ng 147,441 pesos. Wala pang grado yun guys ha, or mabot sa 147,441 pesos, walang grado. At meron din tayong auction record guys sa pirang ito guys, ang baryang ito nga Susan B. Anthony na auction record December 30, 2021, graded from PCGS MS67, umabot ng 412,705 pesos. So napakataas guys. Kung mayroon kayong mga ganitong coins guys, ay pwede na kayong mag-selling online sa ating eBay. So yun guys ang nakuha nating informasyon tungkol dito sa ating barya guys na si Susan B. Anthony ng US Mint or United States. At dito rin sa ating source of information sa enomista.com. So maraming salamat panonood guys, at God bless sa ating lahat.